making waves, an idiot of myself. No, I'm making soap. I am making vanilla. My vanilla, my 50 shades of vanilla. This is a wholesale order. And yeah, I have free reign. Basically, I can do whatever I want. Which is, I guess, what free reign is, so I probably didn't need to say that. Everything is in here. All my oils, my goat's milk, my kaolin clay, blah blah blah. Now I'm just pouring my lye in. And I'll go silent, so because you know, I can't talk and measure at the same time. Perfecto! I was watching, there's a bit of a storm out there. I don't know if it's coming or not. There was a beautiful rainbow out there. Alright, so this will discolour to a reasonably dark brown. So there's only so much you can do with it. You put black in it, it still goes brown. So it's kind of one of those soaps that it's a fragrance you have to work with. You don't have a choice. So we're going to work with it, and I'm just going to extra colour some of the brown and see if that makes a bit of a difference, because I've never browned it before, if that makes any sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some white, and I won't fragrance that, and then I'm going to use Red Desert, which is a reddy colour, and then Bronze Sparks, which is obviously a bronze colour, and make not two different batches. I'm going to colour those separately, and then we'll just do a drop swirl with those three, and we'll see what happens. I mean, the worst that can happen is it'll all go brown and you won't be able to see anything. And it'll still smell friggin' fabulous, so that's all that matters. Alright, so we'll pull that one off. That can be the white. And these two can be the colours. So we might put the Red Desert in here. Now I'm going to put a good amount of it in here, just because, you know, it's going to brown, so if we want to see it, there needs to be a good amount of it. So I'm also going to put Blizzard Glitter in the two coloured portions, because it is still visible in cold processed soaps. It's one of the few glitters you can buy in Australia, as far as I know, that do stay visible. I didn't put it in the white because there's no point. You can't actually see it in white. Not very different though, I don't think. So what I might do is that it probably really won't help, but I'm going to put some titanium in. Which one do you reckon? I might put it in this reddish one. So we'll put that in there, and then we'll put some in there, and we'll see what happens. This will be a good experiment, actually, I think. Because like I said, it's going to go brown anyway, so yeah. Alright, I have to clean this off a reasonable amount, because I'm going to put it into the white. Alright, move that over there. And the other interesting thing that will happen is, once I put the fragrance in these, they should thicken up more than this, unless that does what white always does and thickens up stupidly. And yes, if we have different consistencies, it'll do different things. So it's always fun working with a soap that has different consistencies in it. Oh my god, that's good. I love my own vanilla. Obviously. I'm looking to blend the second one. I'm trying for a nice pineapple mint blend, but I'm just not getting it. Like, I can't really find a pineapple that I like, honestly, because pineapple always smells really fake to me, so it's kind of annoying. Because I know what I want it to smell like, but I just can't get it. I got really close. I used wild mint and lime and then Sex on the Beach, which was quite nice. It was quite summery, but it just wasn't there. I'll keep experimenting. I'll know it when I hit it. See, Sex on the Beach is not just pure pineapple. Alright, so what are we going to do first? Let's go with, I don't know. Let's go with this one. And then this one. And then this one. And then this one. I'm just making this up as I go, guys. You know me. I'm going to leave a little bit so I can put some on the top. And then this one. And then let's put a little bit on the top. A little bit of this one on the top. Come on, out you come. Oh, that's nice. Now, that, like I said, it will darken, but it'll be interesting to see how it darkens, whether it will remain clear that there's two different browns, and you know, and hopefully the white won't brown too much, because I've put a lot of white in there this time, not titanium, I mean a lot of batter in there this time, so we'll see. Now, what shall we do with the top? I have this glitter here, but I'm not entirely sure it's so, you know what, let's go with it now. Again, same as I did with a different soap, which won't be the last soap for you guys. I have mica left on my spoon, so I take my glitter and then I wiggle it about just so it mixes in with the mica and just helps take on that hue. Now this glitter is very, very thick. Like it's a bigger flake than the stuff that I normally use, which is why I don't tend to use these very often. But I really like it. That one is called Diva. Should have known. Although I don't think that I'm a diva, so you know. Alright, so for the remainder, what are we going to do for the remainder? I do not need to smell me because this is a wholesale, so no one needs to smell this. I guess we're just making freebies. Just the freebies. So you guys won't see this soap until probably August. It's like the 8th, yeah, 8th of January today. It was not that hot. It was good. It's probably the least hot day we've had for quite some time. There is some weather moving down from the coast, just a bit of rain I think, but there was a cyclone that became a not cyclone, and then it moved back in over the coast. I don't think it became a cyclone again. I think it's Penny, not the, I think it's Penny. But yeah, and it's sort of like the tail end of it is pushing down over us, and I can see it out there. Just waiting to see if we're actually going to get some rain out of it. There was a rainbow out there before. So it was raining a little bit further up the coast, but the way it's moving, it's sort of, the tail was sort of going like this, and with that drag was out towards the sea and not in a bit above us. So we'll see. It'd be nice if it would rain for a day or two. I don't know, I've told you guys before how much I love the rain, haven't I? I love the rain. I would prefer it to rain pretty much non-stop. I'm not a fan of the sun. I don't want it to rain when the markets are on, no. That I don't like. Because then I don't make no monies. And we need the monies so we can buy the food. Because we like the food. Yes, we certainly do. I don't know who we are, because there is only me. I suppose it was me and the cats, so yeah, pretty sure they'd be upset with me if I didn't feed them. So yes, so at this point in time, all my plans are coming along swimmingly. Whether or not that will continue, who knows. But you guys have done some voting, which is good. I would say vote more, but by the time you see this, I don't think there's any votes left. Is there? August, September, October. There might be one you can still vote on the website. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, it will all have been rocking along quite well. Oh wow, that looks pretty. See that? It's just, yeah, I like it. I'm just going to leave them alone. Well, no I'm not, because I can't help myself. Oh dear. Alright. Well, they're really pretty. I might actually keep those for myself. Okie dokie. So I'm going to Instagram that, because I can. And I will see you guys for the cutting. Bye. Hello. Doesn't seem to have discoloured much yet. It will. I know it will. It'll get a lot darker, but I was expecting a little bit more already. So, I mean, because it's like 5 o'clock in the morning now, so I made this quite some time ago. Alrighty. Let us have a look at what is in here. Oh, it's glorious. Oh yeah, I don't know if we can get it so you guys can see the sparkles. Oh yeah, I think you can. It's definitely sparkly. No doubt about it. It's a glorious drop swirl. Really, really is, isn't it? It's not as orange as it looks to you guys, because this light above me is very yellow. I need to change it out. But, oh yeah, how nice is that? I hope it doesn't lose too much of this. But anyway, what I'll do is when I edit this, because I probably won't edit this for quite some time, I'll try and remember to add a little picture after this, before the subscribe screen comes up. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it though. I wish it would stay like this. It's very, looks like almost like caramel. I'm really stoked with how that turned out. Not colours I would normally do, so, and yet I really like them. Maybe I should do more. That's a bit boring. There's a big chunk of white there and the end piece, so. But yeah, Smells friggin' amazing. Because it's vanilla. Oh, going the wrong way. Oh no! Oh no! Alright, guys, well, I probably should go to bed. I'm not. I'm going to go play with this bullet journal some more because I love doing stupid shit like that when I'm supposed to be sleeping. Alright, see you for the next one. Bye!